Okay, in this most recent lesson, we talked about, is it fair? The first thing that you have to realize is that a game is going to be fair if the probability of each thing occurring is the same. Okay, it's the same. So, for instance, on a dice, you have a 1 in 6 chance of rolling a 1, a 1 in 6 chance of rolling a 2, a 1 in 6 chance of rolling a 3, 1 in 6 for a 4, 1 in 6 for a 5, and 1 in 6 for a 6. So therefore, it's fair because each number is as likely to appear as another number. Okay? If the probability is different, then it's an unfair game. Okay. Okay. So think of a spinner that is broken down like this. This is the number 1. Here's a 2, and here's a 3. Okay. So it's clear that the number 1 has a larger chance of getting spun than the number 2 or 3 because it's much bigger. Okay, so the spinner has a greater area to land on. Okay, and in this case, it has a 3/4 chance. Oops, you can't see that. It has a 3/4 chance to land on A. And then we have, oh, sorry, not A. Has a 3/4 chance to land on 1, and then a 1/8 chance to land on 2, and a 1/8 chance to land on 3. So here it's clear. Okay. Now, another way for a game to be unfair is if the points are unbalanced. Okay, and we saw this in one of the games in our book. One person gets 1 point, one person gets 2 points. But the probabilities were the same. Okay? Just because they're unbalanced doesn't mean it's unfair. If we said right here that these 2 people get 6 points and this person only gets 1 point for every time their numbers rolled or spun, then it would be fair. Okay? So looking at each situation, we have 2 things to deal with. The first thing is, are the probabilities the same or are they different? They're the same and the points are the same, it's fair. If it's different, it's already unfair. But if the points are balanced or unbalanced, then it's fair. Okay. So think about those 2 things. We've got coins, we've got a spinner, and that should hopefully help you a little bit.